intro.
I don't think.
Just make it up. What is
good?
This is Trip to the Thrift.
This is Trip to the Trip.
No, say this is Trip to the Thrift. I don't know.
This is Trip to the Trip. I don't know. What's up? Let's go.
Yow! Let me take these off real quick. Let the hair bang out real quick. What's good, guys? I just wanted to show you guys that I have a new background. I didn't want to shoot an intro outside anymore, so this is it. I'll give you a little rundown maybe in like the next video or something of what is actually back here. And your boy is saving up inventory stock for a reason, but I can't let you guys know just yet. Yeah, today's gonna be a trip to the thrift. I don't know, just like my pop said in the beginning. He was just in the room, so I just wanted to make a little funny little skit thing for you guys. But yeah, this is gonna be trip to the thrift number 81, I believe. I'm gonna head out to the thrift right now. I'm gonna hit the gym first, probably with the boo-boo, and then I'm gonna head out to the thrifts and see what we could find. Let me know what you guys want to see, like what type of other videos you guys want me to create. Just leave them in the leave them in the comments below. I know a lot of people have been asking me, like blowing me up on Instagram, like, yo, when's it? Man, I can't talk right now. A lot of people are blowing me up saying like, when is the next selling sessions gonna be? And I honestly do not know yet, because I'm saving inventory. So I'm not really selling, I'm not pushing to sell. If you follow me on Instagram, I haven't been selling too many items because I'm not really pushing it. But yeah, enough talking. I just wanted to do a little intro here so you guys can see the new background. Yeah, let's go three. You got the 2005 Jordan 10s, red, in the kid sizes though. Got these basic vintage champion shorts. Small logo right there, embroidered. Nothing on the back. Yo, this is fire. For $5. A vintage 1998 Pearl Jam soccer jersey. World Tour. It's got the 98 with the 3 stars in the back. Scooping. Fish out. They got this vintage 1980s Angels satin jacket. Goodman's and Sons, size 42. It's pretty clean, but they're taxing, man. $30. I don't know if I can pick this up. Yo, these are hard. Size 12, 2011 Air Force Ones. Dang, asking for 20. We'll see if I scoop these. Just found this full tracksuit. It's a vintage pony tracksuit, size small. The jacket's $10 and then the pants are $5, I think. $6. I'll probably pick these up and get them tailored, make them a little skinnier. Probably gonna scoop the tracksuit up. You got these extra highlighter Air Force Ones. Super beat though, $20. I actually got these right here. Some Air Max 97's. Not too beat. It's got some cracking in there. I'm not sure if I'm gonna pick these up. They're asking for only 20. They're kind of beat, but we'll see. I want to find this Machino belt. I'm not sure if this is real yet. Gotta do some research. Probably gonna end up leaving these. There's way too much like cracking at the bottom. And these are actually not like, these are Air Max 97 like hyper fuses. I thought it was just straight up Air Max 97s. I don't know if I'm gonna skip these. I'm gonna do a little bit more research. They're super dirty though. Just found this vintage California 85 tee, single stitch, and then this vintage Garfield tee, 1978. Crazy. You got this vintage Quicksilver jacket. It's just got the patch right here, nothing else. $4. You got this vintage Miami Hurricanes. Just do it. You can see the vintage Nike tag right there. I might cop $4. Taxing $20. But they got this vintage Patagonia fleece. It's actually in really good condition. Might end up scooping. Let's see, it's a size large. Excuse me. Why you gotta be so taxed on? I also found these bootleg Chanel like coin purses or pouches. Might scoop. They're asking for 5 and 4. We'll see if I pick these up. And you know your boy's studying while he's thrifting. We got this vintage Nike windbreaker, but it's got like holes, stretched out wrists, and it's actually super beat. It's got stains all over it. Asking for 40. I can't pick that up for 40. It's way too beat. Look at this. I don't know if you guys can really see it. No, you can't see it. It's got like yellow stains and like super bad. Gonna pass. Nike Tech Fleece jacket. The maroon. $8. We'll see. New Age, all leather Nike. Messenger bag. For sure gonna scoop this. $8. We got this bootleg Gucci. I like tote bag. It's actually not too bad. Off-white stuffed animal? Kids XL Miami starter. $10. Got some Nike slides right here. These are actually really comfortable for $8. Oh, little babe sandal. I got this little kids Levi's Sherpa jacket. It's actually pretty cool. The orange tag. Yo, vintage Anaheim Mighty Ducks. What does that say at the bottom? Wait. Oh, Mighty? Oh, this says Mighty right there. I was like, what does it say at the bottom? Oh, it's basically upside down. Oh my god. It says Mighty Ducks and then Mighty Ducks right there, but just upside down. And then I found a pair of bootleg Gucci sweats. For sure picking this up. This fit together would be fire. It's cool, baby. Just found this vintage split hoodie. Probably gonna pick it up. Only $3. What size is this? A large. Vintage locals only tee. My scoop. We'll see. And then this one I would have scooped, but asking for 13. It's too much. Oh my gosh. For $4. Vintage Guess Jeans USA crew neck. I haven't came across a Guess piece in so long. Oh my god. Yo, what's good? There's a shadow on my face, boy. It's all good. What's good, guys? So right now I have this feeling in my body, and I was like, I don't know if y'all can hear me over the air conditioning. Anyways, like I was saying, I had this feeling in my body, and I was like, there's a Goodwill that's kind of far from here, but for some reason something's telling me I need to go there. And this is before a haircut. I have to cut hair at 7 and it is currently 6:01, so I'm gonna have like 20 minutes to shop, see what I can find, and then I gotta head back home to cut hair. So let's see if my intuition is gonna bring me some blessings. Yo, I'm so hyped. I told y'all. Intuition, baby. Oh my god, look at that. Men's size large, full North Face suit. Alright, y'all, so I just want to show you guys everything I picked up in this trip to the thrift. The Laker tee, I'm just going to put them all on the Nike chair. The De La Hoya Hopkins boxing tee, very fire, has a big screen print in the back. The Frank the Tank 2004, the vintage Guess Jeans USA crew neck, so clean. The Anaheim Ducks crew neck as well, very clean. The North Face full body suit, such a crazy piece, yo, for real. I cannot wait to wear that when I go snowboarding. The bootleg Gucci sweats right here, and then the Polo Sport backpack. I'd say it was a pretty good haul. Yo, I copped so much fire, I low-key forgot that I copped some pieces. But here it is. The vintage made in USA split crew neck, not crew neck, sweater with the hood. It's got the split on the back, and it also says it on the hood, I believe, yeah. Right there. And then the vintage California 85 tee, the 1978 Garfield tee, very clean. And then this right here is actually really clean. I was surprised to find this. It's a Pearl Jam Tour jersey, soccer jersey. You can see right there it says 1998 World Tour, and then on the back has the stars in the 98 as well. I also did pick this up as well. It's not vintage, but it is the Nike side bag. Very fire colorway. Yo, what's good, guys? So I just got back to the fire. Just got back home. I hope you guys enjoyed this. This was a trip to the thrift number 81, I believe. I am not quite sure. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed it, and you already know the slogan. So let's wrap it up to the coziest in the gang. Amen to fashion. What is good? Peace.